What unites the Igbo people is more than what divides us. One is mutual intelligibility. One is the core cultural values of the Igbo people. They market the Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. The Igbo people actually have this identity. They never say that attitude of the Igbo man. It exists within and inside of every Igbo man, whether you are an Igbo man from Delta, whether you are an Igbo man from Kogi, Benue, or the mainstream Southeast. The whole Igbo people, be those in the Southeast as against those in Delta, the so-called Delta Igbo. It's not the difference of cultural peculiarity, but it is a difference of political divide. Even if you come to the Southeast particularly, there are still those who feels or assume a supremacist ideology about the Igbo people. They tend to have this hegemonious character. No hawa bụ ihe bụ isi Igbo. Igbo na-asụ n'onu n'onu ma na-akwa ụkwara ọ bụrụ okwu. Igbo is Igbo. Igbo bụ Igbo. It doesn't matter whether you are Ikwere Igbo or what they call this the so-called Niger Delta Igbo, or whether you are a Abakaliki Igbo, whether you are Ika Igbo, whether you are an Igbo man from Enugu Ezike, or an Ideke Igbo man, or an Igbo man from Benue or Kogi State, Igbo be Igbo. Now, one thing that confuses me most about those who claims that they are not Igbo is a multiplicity of lies that they've told their generation from time immemorial. You bear the Igbo name, you speak the Igbo language, even if it is a particular dialect of the Igbo language that you speak, Igbo kabu Igbo. You observe the 4 market days of the Igbo tradition, Eke, Ori, Afo, and Nkwo. You still remain